Hi, today I'm showing a few examples of fingerspelling that becomes a word, and that is called lexical fingerspelling. And that word, lexical or lexicalized, that means that something became a word, that it is a specific and unique sign. It is no longer fingerspelling, it's a word, a sign itself. A few examples, you'll see the difference between fingerspelling and lexical fingerspelling. Back, back to somewhere. B into a K or BACK, condensed. Or back here, you can change the direction, or you go back there. Oh, the store, you need to go back. I want to go back home. Back to school. Or if the teacher is here at school, welcome back, back here. Back, back. Bank. BANK. The sign is the B down into an N and up for a K. BNK with the N downward. Bank. 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 Burn. Burn. So BURN starts upside down like this with a B, and then up to a U, which you may or may not see. The R and the N. So you end in the N hand shape. Burn. Burn. Bus. Tends to be fingerspelled bus, and sometimes in a circular movement. Bus. 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 So bus or bus. Fun can be signed like this. Fun. 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 Or fun. 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 It's not like you're pressing it forward in fingerspelling, it's a fluid movement. Fun. So fun or fun. Gym. 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 It can also be signed gym. Jim. Jim. If. The I into an F. If. So now my palm is inward. If, or if, where the fingers move like this. If, or if, the sign if or suppose. Job. Notice the palm is facing in, so it's J-O-B, but the sign is the J directly into a B, with the palm facing me as the signer. Job. Job. For example, last year, he started a new job. Job. Or job. The sign work. Work can mean job. Miles. Miles. For example, yesterday I went out running 3 miles. 3 miles. No. 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 It can move. For example, my mother said no to me. She said no to me. Or me to her? No. No. Or no to you. No. N-O. So an N and then an O can become no as well. No. Rare. Rare. Tends to be fingerspelled. Rare. Rare. Style is signed style, so it kind of loops around. Style. 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 S-T-Y-L-E. Style. Vegetable. V-E-G. The E tends to kind of be removed. The V only bends a little into the G. Vegetable. Vegetable. What? 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 The other way to sign it is what? So the W or open fingers swirl into the T, like a W to a T. And the palms are more upward. What? Or what, one-handed or two-handed. What? You maybe are surprised and sign, what? 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 Or a third way to sign what is like this. The index finger drags along the palm. What? And that third way tends to be a little bit of an older sign, but you'll still see it. What? 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 And what? Yes. The fist nods up and down, like you're nodding your head. Yes. Yes. It can also be signed yes. Yes. So it's not Y-E-S. There's no E. It goes from a Y into an S. Yes. Yes. Again, yes or yes. Okay, that was a few examples of fingerspelling becoming a word. I know for beginners it can be tough, but if you start slow and keep practicing, you will improve. Now, a few example sentences.